The Residence Inn by Marriott Los Angeles Burbank downtown offers a comfortable and convenient extended stay experience in the heart of Burbank, California. Ideally located near major attractions such as Universal Studios Hollywood and Dodger Stadium, the hotel provides easy access to entertainment, shopping, and dining, making it a great choice for both business and leisure travelers. One of the standout features of this hotel is its spacious all-suite accommodations, designed to provide a home-like environment. Each suite includes a fully equipped kitchen with a full-sized refrigerator, stovetop, microwave, and dining area, allowing guests to prepare meals and enjoy longer stays with ease. Separate living and sleeping areas, along with comfortable bedding and dedicated workspaces, create a relaxing and functional space for every type of traveler. Guests can start their day with a complimentary continental breakfast, offering a variety of morning favorites. The hotel also features a range of amenities to enhance the overall experience, including an outdoor pool, a modern fitness center, and a 24-hour business center. Additional features such as a library, fire pit, and outdoor terrace provide inviting spaces to unwind after a busy day. The hotel's location in downtown Burbank adds to its appeal. Guests are within walking distance of shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, as well as close to the media district, home to major studios like Warner Brothers and Walt Disney Studios. Its proximity to Hollywood Burbank Airport also makes travel convenient for visitors arriving by air. Additional amenities such as free Wi-Fi, on-site laundry facilities, and pet-friendly accommodations ensure a comfortable and flexible stay. Friendly staff, concierge services, and practical conveniences like a grocery store further enhance the guest experience. With its spacious suites, excellent amenities, and prime location, the Residence Inn by Marriott Los Angeles Burbank/downtown stands out as a reliable and welcoming choice for travelers looking to enjoy Southern California with the comforts of home.